that at the crossing, and I can see traffic ahead, a lot of traffic. So I'm gonna, just like this white car, I would sit, but he's making a left turn. So I'm gonna sit here because I do not want to block the white Mercedes on my left hand side. I can't go ahead. There's nothing I can do because of the traffic. And there's a learner on my right hand side. She wants to make a right turn, but she's not going ahead because of the traffic as well. And this car's coming on my left, so just watch out. The traffic is moving forward, but this car is coming, so I can't go. There's a learner coming on my right hand side, so I can't go. It's clear for me to go, and I'm going to go and follow the learner ahead. Check my mirror signal left, and the traffic is going slow, so I'm coming slow. But make sure you look at your mirrors behind you. Make sure the person behind you has got space.